Hello everyone, welcome to philviestory. Today I'm gonna make stir-fried tofu that you can often find in the economy rice stall. So to start off, we need to prepare all the ingredients. Then after that, the first step is to shallow pan fry the tofu until it's golden brown. I prefer to use a frying pan to cook this dish because it got a flat surface and it's easier to shallow pan fry the tofu. And do not use soft tofu for this dish, use a firm tofu, and the tofu that I'm using is called Teochew taucheong. It's in between a taucheong and a tofu where I got it from the wet market. So after cook the one side for 3 to 4 minutes until it's golden brown, then you can flip it using a spatula to flip it on the other side and cook another 3 to 4 minutes until both sides is golden brown. After that, remove it from the pan and then set it aside. I still have some oil in my pan, so I'm not gonna add any extra oil, but if you need to, you can add some extra cooking oil in it. Then I'm gonna saute the garlic first for about a minute or so till it is fragrant. Then I'm gonna add in the white parts of the spring onion. Next, I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of taucheong, which is also called yellow bean paste. And then after that, add in the rehydrated mushroom, which already cut in quarters, and then add in the golden tofu. I have saved some of the rehydrated mushroom water that I used to rehydrate the mushroom just now. So I'm gonna add in roughly about 2 tablespoons, and this is optional. After that, I'm gonna add in a cup of water as well as all the rest of the seasoning like the 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and a pinch of salt, sugar, and chicken stock powder. bring the sauce to boil, then we can add in the red chili and the green chili, two different types of chili colors, and it gives different tastes. So if possible, put red and green together. If don't have, you can just put red or just put green. Give it a light stir. After that, we can add in the spring onion. By now the sauce would have reduced quite a bit, so give it a taste to see if you need any adjustment to the taste. If not, then you can add in the cornstarch water to thicken up the sauce, then serve it. When you pour in the cornstarch water, make sure to keep stirring the pot. If not, it will turn a little bit gluey-like texture because of the starch. And I have the full recipe listed down in the description box below, so you can refer to that. That's all for today, and if you have any questions, you can always leave it in the comment box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Do turn on the notification bell so that you'll never miss any new uploads from me. Thank you for watching. Bye!